Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox this TP-Link 8 ports 2.5 gigabit multi-gigabit switch. It's a desktop switch, but you also can mount it to a wall. It's a metal enclosure. So it has 8 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports. It has loop prevention, silent operation, so there is no fan or something like in it. It doesn't make noise. It's plug and play, and it has a metal casing, and that's something we like. This is the TL-SG108-M2. So in this box is the gigabit switch, the 2.5 gigabit switch, and then also the power adapter, an installation guide, and rubber feet. But like I said, you also can mount it to the wall. So this is the box, as you can see it. There are several versions of it. I advise you not to buy version 1. This is version 3. From version 2 you save half the power. So with version 1 it doubles the power usage. So skip version 1. This is version 3.0. So this is a good one. So we are going to unbox it. I also want to tell you, don't cut in your body. Keep metal away. If you have a cutting tool like a knife or something, don't cut in your heart or things like that. Don't cut in your body. So it's always dangerous to use such things. So I also want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe and you will get notified when you win something. We are giving away laptops, Bluetooth stuff, smartphones, all kinds of things. So you only have to subscribe, and then you will get notified when you win something. We randomly pick people. So yeah. Okay, so everything is out the box, as you can see it. And then yeah. Sorry for the mess on my table, I'm working on it. Yeah, so this is the power adapter. It's a 12-volt power adapter, 1 amp, 12 volt, 1 amp, so that's 12 watts. Then we have some guides, installation guides, but there is nothing to it. It's plug and play. You just pull in the cable, plug in the cable, and you're done. And this is the hub itself, the switch. So it's a metal case. And like I told you, you can mount it onto the wall with this, like that. And then, yeah, there is loop prevention on it, so you can put that on if you want. And then, yeah, here you can see the lights for the colors. Everything has its own color, green, yellow, orange, for the connection. So, yeah, with that you can monitor it. It does not support 10 Mbps, but it does support 100 Mbps, 1 gigabit, and 2.5 gigabit. So it will auto-negotiate the best link, and this is a Kensington look, I think. So, and here you put the power supply unit like this, voila, and then you connect everything to it. So this is the unboxing video. I hope you liked it, and if you like this, please hit the like button. So we can show you more of this content. There's also the rubber tabs on it to put it below. You can, if you put it on a table that it does not make any scratches, you can use rubber pads, or how you call it. So yeah, if you like it, please subscribe, and yeah, I see you later in the next movie, and thanks for watching, and bye bye.